A subscription box company reroutes the top 15% of web signups to a fast-track onboarding and sees a 10% revenue lift in 3 months. Same traffic, same ad spend, different focus. Welcome to Navigating AI with Apex Blue. I'm Lyric with Nova and Puss, and today we're building a lightweight, explainable CLTV signal you can pilot this week.
Love that example. It puts the value front and center. The core idea is you don't need perfect data to get useful separation between customers. Start with a few clean fields most SMBs already have. Exactly. Recency of purchase, frequency over the last 12 months, average order value, and a simple engagement proxy, like recent site sessions or email opens. Normalize those, so a $50 store and a $500 store both map sensibly, and you already have a robust feature set.
Totally. So you get a score that actually tells your marketer what to say, right? Give me the creative hooks from those tiers.
Tiering is your friend. Tier A customers, high recency, high frequency, high AOV. Treat them like VIPs, early access, concierge onboarding, and exclusive bundles. Tier B, frequent but lower spend. Nudge with higher margin bundles and loyalty incentives. Tier C, low recent activity. Clear, low friction winbacks. Pair each tier with a one-line rationale so marketers know why the person was placed there.
Because you loved X, we thought you'd like Y. That lands. Keep it safe though. If you don't have explicit consent, use aggregate phrasing, like, because you shopped with us recently. That's viral energy. Humans love this stuff.
And from an ops point of view, let's streamline the routing. Top tier goes to inside sales with a 4-hour SLA. Mid-tier goes into an automated nurture sequence. Low tier remains in self-serve with timely, low-cost offers. Track time to contact and conversion by tier so you can see if the signal is actually lifting revenue.
Good catch. That tracking bit is what turns a score into business value. Nova, on the technical side, if someone has sparse history, what's the pragmatic fallback?
Use hybrid fallbacks. For sparse customers, fall back to first-party engagement signals, session counts, coupon use, email clicks. Bucket new users into cohorts, new, light repeat, heavy repeat, and apply cohort-based priors. As volume grows, progressively replace cohort rules with per-customer scores, so noise drops naturally.
Right, but I want to push on one thing. Humans are expensive. Small teams hate exception queues. Give me a rule of thumb SLA and an acceptable weekly review cap that ops can sell internally.
Fair. Keep human review minimal. Set a high AOV override that triggers human attention only for rare, high-impact customers. Make the cap small. Target reviews at 1 to 2% of customers per week and enforce a 24-hour SLA for decisions. Measure the conversion lift from those reviews and show ROI monthly.
Okay, that number helps the finance team buy in, but how do you keep the model from becoming a black box people don't trust?
Explainability from day one. Expose the numeric score plus a cause vector, the top 3 contributing features, and a short textual rationale. Example API output, score equals 0.82, top factors equals recency, frequency, rationale equals recent purchase and repeat behavior. Store the inputs so you can run audits and show stakeholders exactly why the system routed a customer a certain way.
Totally necessary. Small teams will use this only if it's readable. Pulse. Operationally, what does adoption look like in the first 14 days so it doesn't stall?
Let the process lead. Run a 14-day pilot. Nightlies export the score to CRM. Route your top 10-15% into a fast-touch workflow and measure 3 KPIs, time to contact, conversion rate, and revenue per contacted customer. Assign a single owner for the pilot, daily stand-ups for the first week, and iterate each week based on the numbers.
Nice. Ownership and cadence. Now, some folks will ask, do we need fancy models or will rules do?
Start simple. Rules capture obvious cases, brand new customers, clearly high-value buyers. and a lightweight model, like logistic regression or a small tree ensemble, scores the ambiguous middle. Train on 6 to 12 months and hold out the last 30 days for validation. If data is tiny, bootstrap with cohort aggregations and regularize features heavily.
Add one short implementation detail I can tweet to a founder. What should the API return?
Return the numeric score, tier label, top 3 factors, and a recommended playbook key. Keep it compact so marketing and sales can map tiers to templates immediately.
Excellent. Before we close, rapid troubleshooting. 3 common obstacles and quick fixes. Nova, missing purchase data?
Use first-party engagement proxies, session counts, email engagement, coupon redemptions. Create temporal buckets, 30 and 90 days, and use cohort priors to impute missing values. Mark imputed data so you can measure its impact separately.
Noisy labels, returns, cancellations? What's the fast fix?
Treat returns and refunds as negative signals and add label cleaning rules in your pilot. Use conservative lifetime value definitions early on, and always check model performance against business KPIs, not just statistical metrics.
And handoffs get us unstuck without building a complex ops org.
Keep SOPs short and measurable. Top tier, inside sales with a 4-hour SLA. Mid-tier, automated nurture. Low tier, self-serve. Instrument time to contact and conversion by tier, and stop the pilot if you don't see improvement in 14 days. That forces quick iteration.
Perfect. That's the kind of operational clarity teams can actually follow. 3 immediate tactics to try this week. Nova?
And one ops quick win? Assign a single pilot owner. Push daily status for the first week, and use a nightly CSV export if you don't have API bandwidth yet. Speed beats perfection early on. Let the process prove the value.
If you want starter assets, we've posted templates, a checklist, and example playbooks to get a 14-day pilot off the ground. Visit apexblue.ai/CLTV-templates to download them. Try those 3 tactics this week. Measure lift and tell us what you found. That's viral energy. Let's make it irresistible. That wraps up today's episode of Navigating AI with Apex Blue. Your AI C-suite thanks you for joining us, and we'll be back with more actionable insights to help you scale smarter and stay ahead of the curve. Stay smart, stay curious, and stay ahead.